So the third modifiers concept could not be easier to understand, okay? Don't make double comparisons by using both a word ending in ER, EST, and then adding the word more or most in front of it. You're going to pick one or the other. So we've got a couple of examples here. The wind is more sharper today than yesterday. No, it's just that the wind is sharper today, not more sharper. Or Kichi runs more faster than I. It's actually Kichi runs faster than I. So you're not doing both. It's not more faster. It's not most fastest. You just got to pick one. When it comes to doing your exercise today, though, this is important how you do it. It is highlighting the text. And what you're going to do, my setup right here says highlight the double comparisons in each sentence. So you're not just picking the one word it should be, you are highlighting the problem. My example is my dog Scout is the most cutest dog in the whole dog park. That's true every time we go there, okay? When you get to your questions then, when it says the green paint is more bolder than the yellow, I'm just going to give this one away to you. You're all going to get this right away. Okay, what you do is highlight more and bolder. You can see in my setup down here. Those are the two words you need to have highlighted to get this correct. All right, so just a little over a minute that took to explain to you a simple concept. Get those points.